Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you search about the application of Indeed job search and you click here. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your